Color's Effect on Memory by Lydia Shen. Memory is the process of retaining and retrieving information. There are stages of memory. First is short term. Short term memory stores information that is being used. Second is long term memory that stores information like experiences, facts, and ideas that are not needed at the very moment but still often used. Color is light emitted from an object to our eyes. Color is often connected to our emotions. This emotion is reached because the color stimulates our brain. It has been tested before if color affects memory by market strategists and scientists, but how much does it really aid in memorization? Will color stimulate the brain enough to cause a change in the amount memorized? If both white and red paper are used, then the group reading from the red paper will memorize more. Materials needed are 10 eighth graders, 20 slips of paper, a timer, and a printer. The independent variable is the color of the paper. The dependent variable is the accuracy of the scores. The control group is the group with the white paper, and the control variables are the time spent on the test, 5 people in each group, shade of the red paper, size, color, and font of the numbers, and 8th graders. For the procedure, write the same 10 numbers on 2 different colored papers. Give 5 8th graders red paper to study for 1 minute. Give the other 5 8th graders white paper to study for 1 minute. Take away the paper. Give the 8th graders blank paper. Tell them to try and write down as many numbers as they can remember for 3 minutes. Take away the test. 5 days later, have the 8th graders write down as many numbers as they can remember. Give the group that had red paper during the last test white paper this time, and vice versa. Repeat steps 3 to 7. 5 days later, have the 8th graders write down as many numbers as they can remember. Overall, red had higher bars than the white did, meaning that the red was more effective. However, outliers such as student 8 occurred when the person did better on the white test than the red test. As shown from the graphs, red was more effective at causing an increase in memorization. My hypothesis was correct, proving that the color red can stimulate the brain enough to provoke a better memorization. This is relevant for schools to add more color to their lessons to promote students' memory, but also in the world outside of school. Marketing can use bright colors for their ads, commercials, logos, etc. that will cause customers to remember it better.